Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you haven't seen my last intro video about my new car, check that video out. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. First I'm going to talk about what came in the mail. And I got this radio off of crushfield.com. If you're interested, the link will be in the description below, but let's look into the box. So I ordered a Pioneer MVH S31 2BT. It's a digital radio with Bluetooth and compatible with iPhone and Android. So no matter what phone you have, it'll work with it. It comes with aux and all that USB and all that good stuff. And yeah, so other stuff in the box. It came with a in-dash kit for your radio. This is for an 04 Honda Civic EX, so it might be different with other vehicles. It also came with a wiring harness for your radio. The tools you're going to need for installing your new radio. So here I have a Phillips head and a flat blade screwdriver, and you're going to need a 8mm ratchet, and you're going to need a panel trim tool. I got this off of Amazon for I think about $5 or $6, so it's really cheap. And that'll be in the link in the description about the tools and where I got it from. I forgot to mention, before you go disconnect your negative battery cable, you need to set your parking brake. So here's your parking brake, and you want to push this up like that, and you set your parking brake. Connect your negative battery cable. Like that. I should have wore some gloves. Oh shoot, that's all you do. Okay. Number 3, you need to pry off the gear shift trim ring, which is right here. So I'm gonna pry it off like that. It should come off easily. Like that. This is the gear shift trim ring. Put that to the side. And the next thing you're gonna do is to take off the gear shift trim, which is this here. There you go. I got it. Now the front, I'll show you real quick here. Got these clips off. Alright, finally got off the gear shift trim. Took a minute, but you had to give it a little strength. Take it off, and it had 1, 2, 3, 4. So it had 2, 4, 6, 8 clamps, and actually 9 because it's one right here. So it had 9 clamps that you had to take off. And I'm gonna put that to the side. And I need my Phillips head screwdriver. And so you have 2 screws here, and it looks like I'm missing a screw. One right here. I guess it didn't have one. But you're supposed to unscrew 2 screws. So I'm gonna unscrew this. Put that. There. And you want to remove your cigarette lighter here on the back. Like that. And then you want to take this out. Put that down. Alright y'all guys, so what we're gonna do here now since we've already disconnected the trim panel and disconnected the cigarette lighter here, you gotta disconnect a 8mm screw underneath here. So you're gonna need your ratchet again, and this time you're gonna need a 8mm socket to go onto it, and you gotta unscrew. It's supposed to have 2 screws underneath here, but I only have 1, so it will still be okay if you have 1, but you need to unscrew that one. And it would be easier to use a ratchet, because if you use a screwdriver, and my screwdriver is too big, I wouldn't be able to fit it. So I use this, and I could untighten it here like this. I'm loosening it up right now. See, it's getting loose. Lefty loosey. Be careful not to drop the screw out. So now that this is unscrewed, now we gotta pry off the factory radio panel here. Alright guys, now we gotta pry off the factory radio trim or panel, and it should have 9 clips around it, keeping it in place. So I'm gonna try to pop it open, like starting from the bottom here. That's why it's good to use a plastic auto trim removal tool, because you don't want to scratch up your dash. And it should pop. You should hear it pop, and that's okay, because there's 9 clamps around here. There you go. Should probably use a smaller one, like this. So okay. Finally got the damn we got to pop off. Hazard lights harness off. Now you also make sure that you know where these stuff go back to, because you don't want to get confused on where to plug what where. So should come off nice and easy. Now we have here is our HVAC controls, and you want to disconnect those too. So you disconnect the HVAC controls. Make sure you don't get them confused. And be careful. Here you got your. You don't want to break your you don't want to hazard lights that need to be coming off too. Here's your wire harness to your factory radio. You want to pull that off. Your hazard lights right here. Should pull right off. There's a button right here. There you go. And this should come right. Oh, you got your antenna. This is your antenna. This should come off like that. Antenna. And here at the bottom, you have another one, which is also your HVAC control for your AC and defrost and circulation. And it comes right off. Pause that one.
Pixelated eyes a messy mind. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, but you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. Hotter than flames. I wanna get reckless in a million ways. I wanna get reckless. Wanna play with me. I wanna get reckless. I wanna I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, but you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna do this. I wanna get reckless, yeah, baby. Your sugar rush. I wanna get reckless. Give them temptation, was craving. You love it, you hate it. I wanna get reckless. Play with me. I wanna get reckless. You might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. Gonna keep going. Do let's rip it off. Oh, you can't wait. But I wanna do it. Sweet as hell, baby. Your sugar rush. You're my kind of life. Bringing me shit was crazy. You love it, you hate it. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, me to the test, yeah. But I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna.
This is what my car stereo looked like before, and on the right is what it looks like now after installation. Alright y'all guys, thank you for tuning in. This is your boy MG Mods. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.